Hey guys, before we start this Semrush review, I want to quickly mention that you can get the best deal using the link in the description. It gives you access to the Semrush free trial and better pricing than going to the website. So if you plan on trying Semrush, make sure you use that link first. Now, let's get into this honest Semrush review and talk about what Semrush actually does and whether Semrush is worth it. If you've ever tried growing a website, you know how frustrating it can be to write content, improve your design, and still not get traffic. I struggled with this until I started using Semrush. In this Semrush review, I'll show you the key Semrush features, the real Semrush pros and cons, and who should actually use this tool. Semrush is an all-in-one digital marketing platform. It started as an SEO tool, but now it covers almost everything you need. Semrush keyword research, site audits, competitor analysis, content tools, backlinks, and even social media and ads. Instead of bouncing between multiple tools, you get everything in one place. That's one of the biggest advantages of Semrush. Getting started is simple. After creating a project and entering your domain, Semrush instantly gives you a breakdown of your rankings, site health, top keywords, and competitor data. You can connect analytics and Search Console for even more insights, but Semrush already gives you plenty from the start. Some people say the dashboard looks overwhelming at first, but it becomes easy to use very quickly. The Semrush keyword research tool is extremely powerful. You can find new keywords, analyze competitors, check difficulty, and build an entire content strategy inside one tool. Then you have the Semrush Site Audit, which scans your website for technical issues like broken pages, slow loading times, or missing metadata. Semrush doesn't just show errors, it tells you exactly how to fix them. I've used this tool on many websites, and the improvements in rankings came surprisingly fast. You also get the on-page SEO checker. This tool analyzes your pages and suggests improvements like adding internal links, optimizing titles, or using better keywords. These are small but impactful changes, and the competitive research tools are another huge strength. You can open any domain and see their keywords, backlinks, top performing pages, and traffic trends. Instead of guessing what works in your niche, Semrush shows you directly. Now let's talk about Semrush pricing. There are three main plans: Pro, Guru, and Business. Pro is good for beginners. Guru is the most popular because it gives you more keyword tracking, more projects, historical data, and advanced content features. Business is for agencies and bigger brands. Semrush pricing might look high at first, but when you compare everything it replaces, it becomes much more reasonable. And if you use the link in the description, you get the best Semrush free trial available. Now the Semrush pros and cons. The biggest pro is how complete the platform is. SEO, content, ads, social tools, competitor research, and technical audits are all in one place. The biggest con is the learning curve, especially if you're new to SEO. And yes, Semrush pricing may feel high for beginners, but if you're serious about growing online, the value is absolutely worth it. Many people compare Semrush versus Ahrefs. Ahrefs is slightly better for backlink data and has a clean interface. But Semrush goes wider and gives you more tools for content, ads, social media, and detailed audits. If you only need backlink data, Ahrefs is great. But if you want an all-in-one digital marketing suite, Semrush is the better choice. So is Semrush worth it? Yes. Semrush is one of the few platforms that gives you real, actionable data instead of guesswork. Whether you're a blogger, a business owner, a Shopify seller, or someone doing SEO for clients, Semrush helps you grow faster and avoid costly mistakes. If you want to try it, make sure you use the link in the description for the best deal and the best Semrush free trial. You won't get the same offer on the official website. Thanks for watching this Semrush review. If you have questions, feel free to leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Semrush reviews and digital marketing tips. I'll see you in the next one.